Hi friends, welcome back to Beekeen Kids Art. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute giraffe step by step. So grab your paper, pencil, and let's get started. Now, draw a cute little hair and add two small horns, called ossicones, right on top of the head. Then, draw two big ears, one on each side. Now draw a big oval shape for the giraffe's head. This will be the base of our giraffe's cute face. Inside the head, let's draw two big round eyes, a small oval nose, and a happy smiling mouth. Next, draw a long neck and body. Now let's give our giraffe legs and cute little tails. Finally, let's color. Use yellow or orange for the body, brown for the spots and horns, and a little pink for the inside of the ears. Make your giraffe as bright and happy as you like. Here comes the fun part. Add lots of spots all over the giraffe's body and neck. Make them different shapes, just like a real giraffe. And there you go. Our super cute giraffe is almost done. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at Beekeen Kids Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time.